Okay guys, here's the results from the Scots. Still got some dandelions we got to take care of. Gonna have to spot treat those. We're gonna do some garden bed tune-ups too here. Cut some stuff back. A little late this year, but this Stay Green did it. Look at that. Neighbor, she got them stripes blinging too. She helped me teach again. Flower beds, I gotta get that taken care of. Like Dandelion Central. It is roasting some of that clover though. Look at that. But guys, whew, look. That Stay Green did a job. Looks great. Oh yeah. Stay Green for the win. Got some spots gonna take care of. Like we said, we're not perfect here by any means.